Introducing the Bobst Cl 850D multi-technology laminator. A high-productivity laminating machine with web handling excellence and intelligent versatility. Packed with integrated technologies and process innovations. Guaranteeing best-in-class web handling and wrinkle-free laminate structures, even on the most delicate substrates. Bobst has centered the laminator design on ergonomics, ease of use and safety. The web passes through the machine with maximum stability and control, guaranteeing defect-free winding quality. A fully integrated Corona unit means a shorter web path to further enhance web control and quality. Operators work in safety thanks to the fume capture enclosures. The versatility of the CL850 laminator is expressed with the full range of different coating solutions, including rotogravure, cold seal in register, solventless, and the revolutionary Bobst Flexo trolley, a solution to guarantee superior optical quality and significant cost reductions and energy savings. The market-leading Bobst Registron is fully integrated to guarantee register accuracy, process control and less waste. Sleeve changeover requires no effort and it is extremely simple and fast thanks to the practical lightweight sleeves. A finest flat tunnel design provides unbeatable ease of access to all areas of the tunnel. Maintenance activities are made rapid and effortless without impacting your productivity. The incredibly ergonomic, wide book-style opening is a huge plus for the operator and one of its kind. Bobst combines accessibility with technology excellence, introducing the unique dual technology drying system. Its success lies in the hybrid system, as air reaches the web from above and below, guaranteeing perfect web stability and drying efficiency. And the 3-hood section allows regulation of 3 temperature zones, optimizing control and energy saving. The CL850 brings you perfect web handling every time, even of the most delicate and sensitive materials such as metallized films or polished aluminium. Bobst's leadership in lamination means web control excellence, guaranteed quality and flawless rewinding every time. Reaching maximum working speeds of up to 450 meters per minute. A visually friendly and more intuitive HMI system has been designed with the operator in mind. The Bobst CL850 high technology laminator is pure lamination excellence.